Hello guys, welcome to lecture 3. Today we are discussing Boolean laws. Identity law. Identity law means p plus 0 or p dot 1. This means the variable will always come out as an answer. Idempotent law. This means variable is added or multiplied into itself, then always the answer will be the variable. Commutative law is p plus q is always equals to q plus p, and p into q is always equals to q into p. Associative law. A plus B plus C is always equals to A plus B plus C. A into B into C is always equals to A into B into C. Distributive law. A into B plus C is equals to A dot B plus B A dot C, or A plus B into C is equals to A plus B dot A plus C. Please remember this second law. Example of distributive law. As we can see the last law, A plus B plus C. Here same A plus A bar plus B is equals to A plus A bar plus AB, which can be written as A plus B. Inversion law. Inversion means not and not two times. So A not A bar and whole bar is equals to A. De Morgan's law. P plus Q का whole bar equals to P bar into Q bar, and P bar into Q bar whole bar equals to P bar plus Q bar. This is a summary. Please take a picture of this. This is important laws and this will be used further. Thanks for watching the video. Please comment what I missed or what should I cover next. Like for more videos like this. Comment your suggestions for improvement.